The Velox VX330NC has a 20-gallon coolant tank, and keep in mind that coolant is just as important as a blade when it comes to cutting efficiency and blade life. Today we're using the C-5200 Semi-Synthetic Coolant, which is specially designed for bandsaws cutting ductile iron. The C-5200 is a semi-synthetic coolant that should be mixed at an 8:1 ratio for harder materials and 10:1 ratio with water for milder steels for optimal performance. The C-5200 coolant helps in several key ways. It lubricates the blades, reduces friction and heat, keeps cuts clean and smooth, and most importantly, extends blade life by preventing overheating and premature blade wear. I've seen this over the years. I've been in this business. Using an inferior coolant will result in high blade cost and poor performance. The C-5200 ensures efficiency, longer blade life, and cleaner cuts. I've been in the industry over 30 years, and the C-5200 Semi-Synthetic is an excellent coolant that is preferred by many saw operators.